This is Crockpot Salsa Verde chicken. It's a very versatile recipe where you can make tacos, stew, or serve it over rice. I'm using frozen chicken, but you can certainly use thawed chicken to make the cook time much faster. Also, if you like cumin, you can add a lot more if you'd like. I roasted some green chilies a few months ago and I had them in my freezer, so I'm using them, but you can use canned if you don't have the frozen. So put the frozen chicken into the crock pot, pour the salsa verde on top. I'm adding a little cumin. I don't know what happened to the lid here, but I'm gently shaking it on top. Placing in my roasted green chili. You can use canned green chili if you want. Add some salt and pepper. Shake on some garlic powder. Add a little onion powder. It's going to be hard to mix it together when it's frozen, but after it cooks a while, you can go in and break up those pieces. After about 7 hours, you can slice up some potatoes and pour them into the stew. Put the lid back on and let the potatoes cook for about 30 minutes until they're nice and tender. But if you want to make tacos, you can heat up a few tortillas either over the stove or in a microwave and take some of the shredded meat from the stew, munch it up with a fork, put it in your tortilla, add some cheese, and then add a dollop or two of sour cream, if you can get it off the spoon, and add some cilantro. You can also add lettuce or salsa if you'd like, or avocado is really delicious. And that's how you make Salsa Verde tacos. It's really easy recipe. It doesn't take a lot of work, just a lot of wait time while it's in the crock pot. I'll post the recipe down below, but this is a recipe that you can modify and make it any way you like. Thanks for watching.